Humans have a soul, though it is hard to be sure. I'm of the opinion that humans do in fact have a soul which will live on after death. It may not be true for all humans, or even most, but there are many religions and cultures who believe this about their gods and or spirits, so it must have some truth behind it. The human soul is the essence of a person, or some say their personality. It survives death because when I look at what people do and how they live, it seems to me that humans are willing to sacrifice just about everything in pursuit of happiness. They take risks for adventure or money in order to make themselves happy. That sounds like something worth living for. If the soul were to be destroyed, then a person would have no motivation for life. If there is no legacy or afterlife, then humans will continue living and striving because they see it as their duty to do so. Since humans are such complex thinking and feeling creatures, it is hard for me to imagine that they were created by accident. It seems likely that we were designed in some way or another. The design behind humans was probably to create a creature that would not be satisfied with the life they have. They are equipped with the ability to observe and think, which allows them to see how others live and what could make their lives better. Humanity has a history of creating many things. They create tools to help them live and work, machines for transport and entertainment, works of art in all forms. The list goes on, but if humans had no soul, then what would be the point? Humans make art because they are dissatisfied with their lives or want to express something that can't be expressed the other way.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We will be uploading videos on a daily basis. You can also leave a comment in the comments section on your opinion on the subject. And if you agree with the AI, you can also leave recommendations. What we should ask GPT-3 AI.